In the service and trades industry, they estimate that about 50% of that workforce is going to retire in the next 10 years. And so being able to offer CTE courses and develop some of the basic skills that are necessary is tremendous.
I chose to do engineering because I really like the idea of designing and building things, and I really like the hands-on experience from it.
It covers many things that you'll use in the future. Like if you ever need to build something, we learn how to set screws and do everything for woodworking, or if you do go into an engineering field, you'll already be ahead of everyone else.
We've covered all the different engineering focuses, so electrical and mechanical, even physics.
My goal is to expose them to as many projects as they possibly can so they can express their creativity.
I think the most interesting for me is the building of the prototypes, because I like that we got to do like hands-on experience of like creating things from scratch.
Last few years we received a substantial grant and were able to upgrade our robotics program to stay in tune with the times and really develop skills that these kids need as they move into their life after high school.
It helps like college applications look better, like actually being involved in an engineering program.
It's just a fun class to take.
Whether it's chemical engineering, or you're working on the medical side of engineering, or if you're building a bridge, it's an opportunity for them to become problem solvers and to use their creativity in order to solve those problems.